It's fall and everybody is talking pumpkin spice lattes and gingerbread cookies and apple pies. And so we have decided to make some of your favorite drinks into my favorite smoothies. Today we're going to do a gingerbread cookie smoothie. Now this smoothie is not only delicious, but I also have some anti-inflammatory ingredients in there and some gut healing ingredients. So what's better than that? Let's get going. So we're going to start with a half a cup of full fat coconut milk. We have our spices here that we'll be using, which is we have 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and of clove, and then 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then I have fresh ginger and turmeric. And I have all that already prepared right here. You can use either the fresh or the ground turmeric and ginger. Just know that the fresh is a little more potent than the ground. We have a splash of sea salt. We're going to put in 1/4 teaspoon of organic vanilla. And then we have some molasses. So about 1.5 tablespoons of molasses. Kind of quickly measure that out. I love molasses. When I was in the Peace Corps in Paraguay, we cut the sugar cane and then made it straight into molasses. It was pretty cool. Okay, and then the stars of our show are the Myers Way Paleo Protein Powder. We have a vanilla and we have a plain. We have chocolate as well, but for this recipe, you can either use the vanilla that's sweetened with a little bit of stevia or the plain, totally your preference. I'm addicted to the vanilla, so that's what we'll be using today. A scoop of that. Of course, this is grain-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, legume-free, approved for all the Myers Way programs, including the autoimmune solution and the thyroid connection. The other star of our show is our collagen. That is gut healing. So we have, oops, forgot my spoon, so we'll grab it right here. Just a big heaping teaspoon of collagen powder. So this is going to help heal our leaky guts. So we have the turmeric and the ginger that are very anti-inflammatory, and we have the collagen that's going to help with the leaky gut. And then of course we have cinnamon that helps with blood sugar control, and then the star, our paleo protein powder. Okay, let me throw in a little bit of ice here. Oops. Mix this up. It's going to be loud for just a second. Okay, so the longer you mix that up and the more ice you add, the creamier it will get. So you can mix as long as you like and add more ice to make it creamier and fluffier. And here we go. Oh my God, it looks like gingerbread cookie dough to me. Before I went gluten-free and even grain-free, used to make gingerbread cookies were some of my favorite, my mother's as well. And so this, just the color, the texture, the smell, just really actually is reminding me of my mom right now, reminding me of fall and reminding me of all of those times I used to make gingerbread cookies. So let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, tastes like a gingerbread cookie. This is so good. Perfect for fall. So remember that this is both gut healing, anti-inflammatory, and good for you. Help support your immune system, your thyroid with the proteins in it. And so you kind of can't go wrong with this. So here's to a yummy smoothie and to good health. Take care.